must clarify the hierarchy, or should I say our structure in IPOB, very, very important, so we understand. IPOB starts from a family meeting, a small unit. And from these units, we'll get zones. Every 4 units can then form a zone. As the case may be, when it's too much, we can now have, say, 10 units can then form a zone. Where there is only 1 unit, it continues to operate as a unit and can never be referred to as a zone. A zone is more than 4 units together. That was what makes up a zone. So a unit is headed by a unit coordinator. A zone is headed by a zonal coordinator. And then in Biafra land, we have the LGAs, we have the senatorial. But for countries like the UK that operate a parliamentary system, we have the regions. We have the national coordinators overseeing the nations, and we have our continental reps overseeing the continent. We have our DOS, and then we have the office of the deputy leader, and then you have my humble self. That is how IPOB is structured. So if you're in the USA, you either belong to a unit, a zone, a state, or not all. That's how it should be anyway. You must belong to a unit to belong to a zone. You must belong to a zone to belong to a state. You must belong to a state to belong to be part of the family all across the USA. And this evening, I cannot thank you enough for persevering and for staying and for listening.